Okay, so as it says on the screen, we're looking at the 3 times table today. Can anyone tell me what 1 times 3 is? 3. Okay, what is 2 times 3? 6. 3 times 3? 4 times 3? 5 times 3? Yeah, it was the 5 times table. Eva has a 0 of 5 here in the units. Now we're up to 6 times 3. 7 times 3? 8 times 3? 9 times 3? Okay, and 10 times 3? 30, that's easy. Oh, and there's not enough space, but, well, I suppose I can write it in. Oh, no, I can't. Okay, so let's get on. Now, here we have 3 pairs. It's a bit confusing because it's the word pair, but 3 pairs, and by that I mean fruit, in each bag. How many bags are there? How many bags? 6. So in other words, you have to times 6 by 3. And yes, the answer is 18. Okay, how about, okay, yeah. Oh, sorry, never mind. So there's 3 fish in each bowl. And how many bowls are there? There's 3 bowls, right? So we need to do 3 times 3, which gives us 9. There we go. Okay, so we have to complete the number track. Now that's basically what we just did. It's the 3 times table. So we've got 3, 6, 9. What goes here? 12. And here? 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 Here we have to do 11 times 3. What's that? 33. Good. So 3 gummy bears. 6, 9, 12. They're all green. That's not my favorite flavor. 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. Okay. So each group has how many gummy bears in it? So how many gummy bears are in this group? Now, altogether, how many gummy bears? How many gummy bears are in each group? How many are in here? 9. Okay. So that means there's 9 in each group. And just as an aside, means 4 times 9 equals what? Well, we just counted all the jelly bears. We just counted them all. So how many are there? 36, right? Yeah, it's the same. 36, how many times 3 equals 36? So what I'm asking is this, 3, 36. How many times to make 36? 12, good. Okay, if you count on the line here, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it says 1 times 3 equals 3, yeah? 3 times 3 equals 9. 5 times 3 equals 15. These are all odd numbers, they're not even, and they're also multiplied by odd numbers. 7 times 3 equals 21. 9 times 3 equals 27. 11 times 3 equals 33, though, and they're always skipping 1 because remember they're multiplied by odd numbers. So 2 is missing, 4 is missing, 6, and here 8, and here 10. Okay. Odd factor times odd factor equals odd product. Basically, they're saying an odd number times an odd number equals an odd number, not an even number. Okay? Do you know what an odd and even number is? Yeah? Okay. Good. Let's move on. So here are the even numbers. 2 times 3 equals 6. So this is an even number. This is an even number. So here I'll write O, so you know it's odd. That's O for odd, not a 0. And this is E for even. This is odd, and this is even. And you'll see it's the same all the way down. So 4 is an even number times 3 equals 12. 12 is an even number. Same for 6 times 3, 8 times 3, 10 times 3, and 12 times 3. So all of these are even numbers. Okay, All of these are odd numbers. Well, they're all the same. They're all 3. And all of these are even numbers. Okay, whereas all of these are odd numbers. Even factor times odd factor equals even product. So an even number times an even number, times an odd number equals an even number. Okay, you just have to get rid of these words to understand. Right, let's see, what do we do here? Okay, yes. So she rolls a 5 and a 3. And in this game, I guess you have to multiply the number you get on your dice by 3. Okay. Just need to... Right. And so she gets 24. Okay, that's her score. Right. Her name's Eva, got 33. What number must she have rolled with her dice? 11, good. Okay, and how do we work that out? How do we work this one out? Do you know? Can anyone? Good. So 33 divided by 3 equals our number 11. Okay, that's how we go backwards. If we want to go backwards, we need to divide. Yeah, we need to divide this number by that number to get this number. Okay. Oops. Yeah. Basically what I wrote. And 11. Okay. There we go. Right. Which card has the greater value? Okay, so which number is more? Which number is more? Is it 5 or is it 18 divided by 3? If you think... Right, I'm getting a lot of people saying this one. Let's check. 18 divided by 3. What would that give us? 6. Yep, so 6 is more than 5. Okay, so what would we put in each of these squares? Rectangles, rather. 6, yes, good job. And then, yeah, this symbol is to show that this one is greater. So we got that one right. Oh, okay. So now these are a bit tricky if you just work them out as they are. Well, I'll show you how we can work this one out differently. So in other words, with 19 times 3, you can do 10 times 3. What will that give us? 30. And then 9 times 3 equals 27. Okay, and then we have to add these two numbers, yeah? So I get 7 here and 5. Oh, what's it doing? Okay, 57 in other words. Yeah? There's another way of doing it. So 19 is very close to 20. So we can go 20. In fact, it's just one less. So 20 times 3. I don't know if you find that easier. Well, what's 2 times 3? What? 6. Now 20 has a 0, so that needs to be put here as well. So 20 times 3 is 60. But now we have to take 3 because it's one less. Right. So 60 minus 3 equals 57. Do you see? Right, I started from 12 times 3 and counted up 7 more 3s. Okay, that's one way of doing it, so let's have a look at that way then. No. Let's have a look at the way she's done it. So she's done 12 times 3. Now we did look briefly at what 12 times 3 was. What's 12 times 3? 36, good. And then she did 7 times 3. And that gives us 21, yeah. Remember, 7 times table, 21. Okay. So we have to do the same as this one here. 6 plus 1 is 7, and 3 plus 2 is 5. I don't know why it has such trouble when I do it close together. Okay. So, yeah, that's one way of doing it. I think this way is a bit easier. Let's continue. 12 times 3. Well, we did that just now. What's 12 times 3? Yeah. 36. What's it doing? And then, all right, I don't need to write it in. Plus 3 What's 36 plus 3? 39 plus 3? 41. 42, yes. Plus 3? 45. Plus 3? 48. Plus 3? 51. Plus 3? 54. Okay, good. And last of all, 57. 10 times 3, and then 9 times 3. That's what we did, isn't it? What's 10 times 3? And 9 times 3? 27, yes. Okay. Because remember, 9 times 3 is just 1 less than this one, isn't it? Less than 30. And then we added them together. What did we get? Can anyone remember? 57, good. Yeah. No, not 47. We just had the answer. It was 57. Okay, 10 times 3, 30. Yeah, they show that. And then 9 times 3, 27, and then we added them together. Okay, so this is another way of doing it. Okay, so they've done as we did before, 20 times 3, which is 10 times 3, which is 30, plus 30. And then you need to take away 1, 3. Yeah, because 30 plus 30 makes 30 plus 30, 60. And then you minus 1, 3. Okay, that gives us 3. So it's 60, take away 3, which gives us 57, right. Okay. There we go. So it's basically 20 times 3, and then you take away 3. That's the other way of doing it. So there's 3 ways. Who prefers this blue way? And who prefers this green way? Right? And who likes the red way? So there's 12 altogether. How many are there in each group? 4. So that means 4 times 1, 2, 3 equals 12. Yeah? Let's see what the question says. Oh, there isn't a question. Okay. Oh, I see, yeah. So there are 12 cubes. There are how many plates? Now, can you remember? How? 3, there were 3 plates, yeah. Good. Each plate has how many cubes? 4. And 12 divided into equal groups is, so 12 divided into, yeah, equal groups is, there we go. Yeah, good. Okay, Mo has 15 pencils. He shares them equally into 3 pots. How many pencils will there be in each pot? There will be 5 pencils. Right. So the pencils are red, so I'm going to use red. So I'll just draw lines because I can't draw very accurately. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I can cross off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I can do the same here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, and it works. There we go. Okay, divide 18 counters into groups of 3 counters. Draw a picture to show what this would look like. So, okay, into groups of 3 counters. So we'll do 1, 2, 3 here in one place. Then we do another 3, 4, 5, 6. And so we don't forget, we can always do a 3 and then a 6, then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, I don't know what happened there. 15, and then 16, 17, 18, and there we go. There we've got our 18. How many groups did you draw? So how many groups are there? 6, yes, 6 groups. Okay. Right, so there are 27 cakes. A box can hold 3 cakes. How many boxes of 3 cakes can be filled? Use the number line to help you. Right, so there's a box like this with 3 little cakes in it, and there's 27. How many boxes of 3 cakes can be filled? Use the number line to help you. So I guess we have to go back 3 each time. So we have to count 1, 2, no, here, sorry, 1, 2, 3. So we have to go here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, helps if I mark it like that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Eventually I'll get there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Okay, so how many times did we skip backwards? 9 times, right, so we need 9 boxes. Good. Number 5, complete the bar model for the division 33 divided by 3 equals 11. So there is, just to answer this question, it says, is there more than one way of doing this? There is, yeah? What are the 2 different ways of doing this? So you have 33. You can either divide it by 3. Yes, good, well done. So you can either divide it by 3 or 11. Now, of course, the easier way for me is 11, because also I'm not very good at drawing these rectangles, because then I just need to draw 3 groups. So because it would be about here, I think. I can't draw it very accurately, but then I can just do my 11 here. Whereas if I choose 3, I have to do 11 different rectangles. And that will take me far too long. But yeah, here below you can draw the other way of doing it. There's not enough time to do that now, but let's have a look here. Complete the division statements for each problem. Esther has 21 balloons. She puts them into 3 party bags. How many balloons are there in each bag? Okay, so in other words, we have 21 here divided by 3. What will that give us? How many how many balloons in each bag? 7, good. And to check, you can always go backwards. You can go 7 times 3, and that should equal 21 if you want to check, because I think you know your 3 times table, so you can see that that's correct. Niger has 36 apples. In each box there are 3 apples. How many boxes are there? Okay, so this one, we have to put what number here? 36. Yeah, it says 36. In each box there are 3 apples, so we're dividing by 3. Now we did this just before. What's 36 divided by 3? How many times does 3 go into 36? 12, good. Okay, because we know 10 times 3 is 30. It's 30, but we have to get to 36, so we need another 2 times 3 to make the 6. Okay, then we get our 36. Right. 24 children stand in groups of 3. How many groups are there? So again, you have to take the 24 and divide it by 3. Does anybody know this answer? So it's 8, yeah? Because we all know that, well, we've just been doing it now, that 21 divided by 3 is 7. Yeah, we just did that one. So, of course, 24 is just one more. So it must be 8. Okay. Right, on to the next one. Numbers that follow each other when you count are called consecutive numbers. 3 consecutive numbers can form a staircase. Here is 4, 5, and 6. Okay. When you add 3 consecutive numbers, the total can always be divided equally by 3. Is this statement correct? So let's have a look at the example. They have 4, 5, and 6. So in other words, 4, oops, I should do a plus sign, plus 5, plus 6. What does that give us? Gives us, yes, 15. 15. Can 15 be divided by 3? What does it give us? Good. Let's try another one. So we've done 4, 5, 6. Shall we try an easy one like 1 plus 2 plus 3? What will that give us? Good, 6. So 6, can that be divided by 3? Yeah, just call out the answer. Let's try another one then. We'll just try, over here we'll try 2 plus 3 plus 4, 9. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Okay, so that one works. Let's try a high one. 6 plus 7 plus 8 equals 21. 21 divided by 3 equals 7. Okay, I see the time is running out, so I'll say goodbye, and I'll see you in English at 9. Okay?